Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. You know what? My favorite 17 GT350 laying down. We're going to watch a dyno pull over 850 real horsepower off E85. Of course, we're running the Whipple. It's the Gen 5. We have some other mods. Doug and I are going to go down. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment. We're going to talk about what we've done. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify if you love GT350s, Mustangs, F-150s, other random vehicles. That's what we do here at Brent Speed. So hey, Doug, let's go down and take a look at the engine compartment. Let's get started. Okay, before we watch this dyno pull, here's what we have. It's the Gen 5, it's the Whipple. Doug, come down, take a look. My favorite supercharger on the GT350, but we installed, as always, billet oil pump gears, all of our cooling mods. We have the big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, some free-flowing exhaust, but this right here is running the stock 3.87 pulley. We're running E85, but we did upgrade to ID 1300 injectors because you need a lot larger injector to run E85, but this car is going to lay down some sick power. And hey, if you have a GT350, you want to run 93 or even 91 octane, you can install the Gen 5 Whipple. We have them in stock. We can ship them right to you. You can come in for an install. You can do that. But this particular client said, I want some 85. So check out this dyno pull. All right, I'm going to show you something cool. We're going to compare E85 versus 93 octane on the GT350. And hey, something I didn't mention earlier, we did install a Kenny Bell booster pump, but check this out, Doug. 93 octane, 755 real horsepower at 8,000. E85, 870 at 8,400 RPM. The knock sensors are loving it. It's under a dyno jet, rated SAE. Torque, 542 on 93. 574 with E85. Those are killer numbers. Just pan back, Doug, if you don't mind. Take a look. You can see up here where the E85 was loving it, and we did go a little bit higher RPM, so about 8,400 on the E versus about 8,000 on the 93 octane right there. So another cool GT350. If you have a GT350, you like GT350 videos, I will put a link up over here that shows a playlist of all the GT350s that we make videos on. It's not all the ones we build, but you'll see like stock ones or maybe naturally aspirated ones. Gives you something to watch. So I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions about this car or other ones, please leave a comment. We're happy to answer. You can email quote@brentspeed.com and say, what's that cost to get installed? And don't forget, we stock the Whipple GT350 Supercharger. We can ship it right to your door. Just check out brentspeed.com. You can email that quote@brentspeed.com. Come in for the install. Thank you so much for watching.